What's going on, guys? I go by the name of Doubtfire, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Find and Replace in Google Sheets. This is really useful when you have a large spreadsheet and you need to quickly find a specific word, number, or value and replace it without manually changing every cell. Step one is to open Find and Replace. So first, you want to make sure you open up your Google Sheet, and there's two ways to open up Find and Replace. You can go up to Edit and then click on Find and Replace. Or if you're on Windows, you could just hit Ctrl plus H, and that will also open up this window. If you're on a Mac, then you can hit Command Shift and H. So the first practice task we're going to do is to find something. So let's just say I want to find every cell in this spreadsheet that says pending. And in the find box, I'm going to find pending. And Google Sheets will jump to the first cell that contains pending. So it did highlight this box right here. And if I click find again, it's going to move to the next match, which would be like this right that I have right here. And this is helpful if you just want to locate something without changing it. If you want to go ahead and replace a value, so let's just say I want to change pending to not started, then I'll leave the pending here and I want to replace with not started. And I have two options here where I could just replace this individual cell, or I can replace all. So anything that says pending will change to not started. So I'm going to go ahead and click replace all, and it will let me know that it did replace 7 instances of pending with not started. And then go ahead and click done. You can also control where this search is. So you can click the drop down box next to search, and you could choose whether you want to search all sheets, this sheet, specific range. And this is really important if you have multiple tabs and you don't want to accidentally replace something somewhere else in your spreadsheet. We do have a few advanced options here. So we have match case, which means capitalization matters. So for example, if I search for lowercase sales, it won't necessarily match sales with a capital S when match case is turned on. Match entire cell content. So if I search for sales, Google Sheets will only match cells containing exactly sales. It won't match a cell containing something like sales department. I'm not really familiar with this third one, not gonna lie, but if you do the next one, search within formulas, it's useful if you're trying to find a value or reference that's actually inside your formulas instead of just searching what you see displayed in the cells. Last quick tip, if you only need to find something and you don't need to replace it, you can use Ctrl F on Windows. That will open up this box right here. And if you're on Mac, you can hit Command plus F. This gives you the search box without opening up the full Find and Replace menu. And that's how you use Find and Replace in Google Sheets. Just a reminder, Ctrl F is for quick find, Ctrl H opens Find and Replace. And if you're using Replace All, always double check what you're searching for before clicking it so you don't accidentally replace something you wanted to keep. If this video does help you out, please drop a like so we can try helping out other people too. Have a good one. Peace.